Hey Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have got this gorgeous 6 polish collection that's been very kindly sent to me from Aimeili. So I'm going to take you through the steps on how to apply these. So this is the Galaxy Panaroid collection. So it's a collection of 6. This is number 81 and it's called Venus's Hugs. So obviously, as you can see, that there are packed with lots of different colours, and when applied over a black base you're going to be able to see those colours the best. So this is number 82 and it's Back to Uranus or Uranus, however you want to say it. 83 is Start from Spunk, not quite sure on that name. 84 is Take Me with Capricorn. So obviously you've got the blue coming through, and this is from Mercury with Love. So you've got more like pinky tones coming through, and then the last one is Jupiter's Love Letter. So they all look like they're going to be stunning polishes. So I am using all Aimeili's products. So I have already gone ahead and applied, I think, just 1 coat of black polish, to be honest. If I was doing this on my own nails, I would apply 2 just so, mani lasts longer. So when you can see, when you apply it over black, it brings out all those gorgeous colours that are in it. So if I just show you nice and slowly. So obviously predominantly you see greens, but there is pinks and blues and golds. It's such a gorgeous colour. And then I'm going to apply the no wipe top coat, and that basically means that there isn't going to be a tacky layer once it's cured in the lamp. But the tacky layer is normal with gels. So I've gone and done the other nails off camera, and this is such a gorgeous colour. Like, it's just got so many different colours in, which looks awesome over the black. If you don't know how to apply or do the steps for a gel manicure, to prep your nails, for a gel manicure, because it's really important that you prep your nails properly if you want long wear, I can leave a link to that and you can check that out. So this one is so stunning. So you definitely get flashes of pinks and purples coming through with this one. But again, you get the odd bit of green and gold. So again, I've done the rest of the nails off camera. And I mean, these are seriously stunning glitters, Jelly Babes. So moving on now. So this has obviously got a very much predominant like bronzy, goldy colour to it. So it's going to be sort of gorgeous, sort of autumn time. I'll just show you slowly. So you've got like coppery, bronzy, goldy colours, but you do sort of get like pinks and greens, like little flashes of it every now and then in certain lights. So this next one is obviously got a gorgeous sort of like electric blue sort of flare through it. But again, like with all the others, it does have some colours, some different colours that comes through. So you definitely get some pinks and purples, but this one is super gorgeous. I really like this one. So I thought I'd share some sort of like, frequently asked questions or troubleshooting things that you can get with gel polish. So one of them, I think the most common one is, why is my gel polish lifting or peeling? And if you get premature like lifting or peeling, that can be down to poor nail preparation. That's why I said I'd show you a link on how to prep your nail properly. That's probably the biggest reason, as instead of the polish, people think it's the polish, like the polish is cheaply made or there's something wrong with it. But if you do not prep your nail properly, it will lift. So, you need to make sure that your nails are completely dry, clean and oil free. Obviously, other possibilities could be that you don't cure it fully. So if you've got particularly weak lamp, then you might need to cure it for longer. I've just used obviously like a typical guideline with the times. I mean, I've got a 48 watt LED lamp, so it cures within 1 minute. It's absolutely fine. Another reason why it could be peeling or lifting is if you do get any of the gel on your skin or the cuticle area, which if you do and you don't clean it off prior to curing, that can also cause peeling or lifting. Or if you're applying 2 thick coats, that's what I always say about nice, even, thin coats, because if it's too thick, that can cause like chipping. So I thought I would show you like the versatility of these polishes. So obviously this is it over white, and then if you take it to the clear, this is what it looks like. So it definitely has sort of more unicorn feels over the white, but it looks gorgeous over, like if you just put it over your natural nail. That's what I'm trying to show you here. It just adds that gorgeous little sort of glitter shimmer to the nail. So I'm going to be obviously showing you all 6 colours. So majority of them I really like. I do like them over the white. It really, you know, like I say, it brings a different look to it. I do love polishes like this, because you kind of feel like you're getting, you know, like a 3-in-1 polish, because you can create so many different looks. And also as well, like you can put this over any other normal colour as well, and obviously it's going to bring out certain colours dependent on what sort of base colour that you're using. So there's some of them, and I think this is one of them, and the last one's like it. Like, it's gorgeous when the blue shows, but in certain lights it looks yellowy, and I hate that look. Like I'm showing you now, like in certain lights, I don't know what it is about it, I just don't like the look of it. But that's just me. That's just what I think. But majority of them do look gorgeous over the white, as you can see here. So that is it from me today, Jelly Babes. I hope that you've enjoyed my review of this Galaxy Paranoid collection. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Aimeili, for sending it me to have a play with and review for you. So if you've got any other questions, then drop them in the comments box below. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button. It's free to do so. Click the notifications bell as well, because that highlights to you, or you've got more chance of YouTube highlighting to you when I've uploaded. Give this video a thumbs up, and like I say, leave a comment anyway. It all just helps sort of boost my channel, which I really, really appreciate it. And I know majority of you do, which I also really appreciate as well. So let me know your favourites, if you've got a collection already, or whether you will be getting it. But until next time, Jelly Babes, take care. Bye.